How to prepare your Airbnb property for load shedding. If you're in South Africa, you know all about load shedding, those scheduled power outages that can really throw a wrench in your guest's stay. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are some tips to make your Airbnb load shedding proof. First up, budget-friendly solutions. For basic lighting, battery-powered LED lights are a winner. Place them in key areas like bedrooms and hallways. Solar-powered garden lights. Oh yes, they're not just for the garden. Bring them indoors for a lovely ambient glow. And don't forget candles. Just make sure they're in safe holders and away from anything flammable. Safety first. Next, portable power banks. Leave a couple for your guests so they can keep their phones and small devices charged. Pop a note in your welcome guide about conserving power bank usage during outages. For cooking, a portable gas stove is a lifesaver. Make sure you include clear instructions for safe use. And insulated water jugs, perfect for keeping hot water ready for tea or coffee. Plus, leave a few bottles of drinking water just in case. Now, let's talk about staying informed. Print and display the latest load shedding schedule from Eskom CPush or your municipality. Include a link to the Eskom CPush app in your welcome guide. Easy peasy. Entertainment alternatives are a must. Board games, books, and cards can keep your guests entertained during outages. And a small Bluetooth speaker with battery power, perfect for some background tunes. Don't forget an emergency kit. Flashlights, extra batteries, and a first aid kit should be in an easily accessible spot. By combining these solutions, you can create a comfortable and reliable experience for your guests, even during load shedding. This preparation can set your property apart, lead to better reviews and higher occupancy rates. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on being a top-notch Airbnb host. See you next time.